Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. It's the first video of this week, and today we will discuss question answer of chapter number 5, which we had completed in previous week. So let us start. Chapter number 5, the name of chapter is the Southern Plateau. Okay. In this chapter, I had explained you about Southern Plateau, that Southern Plateau is in the southern part of Northern Plains. Okay, here you can see this one is the Northern Plains, and in the southern part of Northern Plains, Southern Plateau is over there. This Southern Plateau is bounded by the chain of hills, which is known as Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. River Narmada divides Southern Plateau into two parts. The northern part is known as Central Highland and the southern part is known as Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau. Okay. This Southern Plateau covers a very big part of India and many states comes under this region. States like Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Telangana, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Odisha, these all states comes under this region. Okay, about all these states we had discussed in previous classes. Today we are going to discuss about the questions related to this chapter. First we will discuss objective, then question answer, and after that we will discuss about HOTS. So let us start with objectives. Question number A is asking tick the correct answer. One question is given over there and its 4 options are there. Question number 1 is which river does not flow through Southern Plateau? Which river does not flow through Southern Plateau? Ken, Son, Chambal and Ganga. These are the options. My dear, Son, Ken, Chambal and Betwa, these are the tributaries of Ganga which flows through this region. But river Ganga is not flowing through this region. So the correct option will be Ganga. The correct option will be Ganga. Okay. Rest are the tributaries of Ganga which flows through this region. Next question is asking which river falls into Arabian Sea? Kaveri, Krishna, Tapi and Yamuna. These are the name of rivers. In Southern Plateau region, rivers flows through eastward direction, okay, and falls into Bay of Bengal. River Krishna, Kaveri, these all rivers flows through eastward direction and falls into Bay of Bengal. Only 2 rivers are there. These rivers are Narmada and Tapi. Narmada and Tapi are 2 rivers which flows in westward directions and falls into Arabian Sea. So the correct answer will be Tapi. Okay, Tapi and Narmada are 2 rivers which flows in westward direction and falls into Arabian Sea. Rest all the rivers flows in eastward direction and falls into Bay of Bengal. Now, next question is Yakshagana is classical dance of. Yakshagana is classical dance of Telangana, Karnataka, Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh. Okay, you can get this answer on page number 38. On page number 38, in very first line, it's given that Yakshagana is classical dance of Karnataka. So the correct option will be Karnataka. Okay, you will tick on Karnataka. Telugu is main language of. In two states, Telugu is the main language. In the state of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Earlier, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana was a single state, and in 2014, Telangana is carved out from Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so in these two states, the regional language is Tamil, Telugu. Clear? Ooty and Kodaikanal hill stations are in. Ooty and Kodaikanal, these hill stations are in the state of Tamil Nadu. Clear? Now, question number C. Match the following. Question number B. Match the following. In this, states, in column 1, states are given over there, and in column 2, its capitals are given over there. I know you are knowing the answer of this question because you have learned it very earlier in chapter 1 only, the name of states and its capital. So, there will be no confusion. First one is given Maharashtra. Maharashtra, capital of Maharashtra is, yes, it is Mumbai. You will write here 1. Second one is Karnataka. Karnataka capital is Bengaluru. Here you will write Bengaluru. Third one is Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu capital is Chennai. Okay. In Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad, and Jharkhand, capital is Ranchi. So the correct sequence is 5, 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay. You will write in front of it. Okay. Here you will write number 1. Here 2. Near D. Near E you will write 3. Here you will write 4, and here you will write 5. The correct sequence is 5, 4, 1, 2, 3. Don't try to match it by drawing lines. Okay, write the numbers over there. Now, question number C. Question number C. Name the following. The business capital of India. Capital of India is New Delhi, but Mumbai is known as the business capital of India. Here you will write Mumbai. Mumbai is called as the business capital of India. Silicon Valley of East. Bengaluru. Bengaluru is called as Silicon Valley of East because of a large number of IT companies. The famous dance of Tamil Nadu. Famous dance of Tamil Nadu is Bharatnatyam. Bharatnatyam is the famous dance. You can get this answer on page number 39. City of Oranges. In Maharashtra, many orchards are over there, I had taught you. And Nagpur is a city in Maharashtra which is known as City of Oranges. So you will write here Nagpur. Land of forests. Jharkhand is known as land of forest. You will write over there Jharkhand. Okay. Now, come to the question answer. Question number 1. What is plateau and what is shape of southern plateau? Plateau You can get this answer on page number 35. Very first line you can see. Here. A plateau is an extensive flat area of elevated upland. What is plateau? A plateau is an extensive flat area of elevated upland. And what is shape of southern plateau? Here it's written on third line. It is triangular in shape. Okay. So how you will give the answer of this question? You will write like this. A plateau is an extensive flat area of elevated upland, and southern plateau is triangular in shape. Now question number 2. Which hills form the southern plateau? This answer also you can get on page number 35 only. Here. The southern plateau is bounded by the chain of hills. It is on its eastern and western sides. These hills are called Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats. Here again, from here, the southern plateau is bounded by the chain of hills. On its eastern and western sides, these hills are called as Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats. So how you will write the answer? The southern plateau is bounded by chain of hills known as Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats. Next question number 3. Name 3 plateaus that together form the southern plateau. The Deccan Plateau, the Malwa Plateau and the Chota Nagpur Plateau together forms the southern plateau. Okay. You can get this answer on page number 35 only. Here it's given. Malwa Plateau, Chota Nagpur Plateau and the Deccan Plateau forms the southern plateau. Which are the popular dishes of Tamil Nadu? On page number 39 you can get this answer. Sambar, rasam, dosa and idli are the popular dishes of Tamil Nadu. Okay, Chettinad cuisine served on banana leaf is also very famous over here. Here you can get this answer. Here in third line, sambar, rasam, dosa and idli are eaten here, and Chettinad cuisine served on banana leaf is very famous in Tamil Nadu. Let's just move to the next question. Which minerals are found in Jharkhand? Minerals like coal, iron ore, limestone, copper ore, bauxite are found in Jharkhand. Okay, Jharkhand is known as the mineral state of India, and there are many minerals are found over there. Okay, here you can get this answer. These are the important minerals. Coal, iron ore, limestone, copper ore, bauxite. These are the famous minerals found in Jharkhand. You can write answer from here. Coal. Okay, till bauxite. These are the minerals found in Jharkhand. Now, let's move to HOTS. Answer of HOTS are not given on your book, but it is related to the chapter only. Let us see. Question is asking, why do people in Chennai wear loose cotton clothes? as we know that climate of Chennai is very hot because it is near the equator, and cotton clothes allow better air circulation and absorbs the sweat and provides better cooling. That's why people of Chennai is wearing loose cotton clothes. Okay. Question number 2. There are many iron and steel plants in Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand. Why? When I had taught you chapter number 13, our industry, in that chapter I had taught you that factories or plants are located at that place where they can get the raw materials very easily. Iron and steel plants, the raw material for iron and steel plants is iron ore, and in Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh there is deposits of high grade iron ore. That's why most or many iron and steel plants are located at Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand. This is the reason. Now, come to page number 42. Here one puzzle is given over there. If you write the name of the following cities in the blank boxes, you will get the name of place which is famous for diamond mines in circle letter downward. Okay, first one is Patna. So first word will be P. Let me write over there. First word will be P. Second one is Ajmer. Here A. Nagpur, N. Nalanda, N. And Alwar, A. Panna. Panna. Panna is a place where diamond mines are located. Okay, so we have solved this puzzle also, isn't it? So this is end of the chapter. Now in next class we will discuss about one new chapter. Till then, bye bye.